Welcome to eLeaP. For more than 20 years, we have been the trusted engine behind compliance training, quality assurance, and performance for the world's most strictly regulated industries. Let's show you how our validated learning management system turns complex regulatory demands into streamlined, automated workflows. First of all, eLeaP isn't just another LMS. It's an enterprise-grade solution built specifically for organizations where training failure simply isn't an option. Whether you are managing Part 11 in life sciences, FAA requirements in aviation, or ISO standards in manufacturing, eLeaP provides the audit-ready infrastructure you need. Our platform is fully validated for 21 CFR Part 11, as well as 14 CFR Parts 145, 135, and others. Imagine creating sophisticated training content in minutes. Our AI assistant helps you generate, refine, and translate course materials instantly. You can upload any file type, from SCORM packages and video to PowerPoints and PDFs, with automatic version control tracking changes. For hands-on roles, use our observation checklists and e-signature workflows to document competency. Every action in eLeaP creates an unalterable audit trail. You will have complete records of who accessed training, when they finished, and exactly how they performed. With electronic signatures, two-factor authentication, and automated compliance reporting, you stay inspection-ready at all times. eLeaP does more than deliver courses. It manages your entire training ecosystem, tracks skills, automates certification renewals, and document on-the-job training with time-stamped precision. Our smart assigning rules automatically enroll users based on their specific role or department, while adaptive learning paths grow alongside your workforce. Gain total visibility through our real-time reporting dashboards. Schedule automated reports for upcoming expirations or compliance gaps, and export audit-ready documentation in seconds. We integrate seamlessly with your existing systems via API, single sign-on, and webhooks. So whether you're scaling from 50 employees to 50,000 across multiple locations, eLeaP grows with you without compromise. From pharmaceutical manufacturing to aviation maintenance, we provide the infrastructure that regulated industries trust. Schedule your demo today and see how eLeaP can transform your talent and compliance.